Hello friends, I am R.M. Prajapati, a retired higher secondary teacher. I have had more than 30 years of experience as a teacher in the teaching of English. During my service and career, I have attended so many training programs, in-service training programs at state level and used to impart training to the higher secondary teachers teaching English in higher secondary section. My other fields of interest are religion and social reforms. I have had so many and varied experiences in all these fields. I want to share my knowledge with as many people as possible. I hope majority of the people take utmost advantage of my knowledge. At this juncture, my major focus is on teaching of English as a foreign language. English is one of the easiest languages in the world. It has spread all over the world and become an international language. One of the reasons is that it is an easy language. However, the students learning English find it to be very difficult and they do not fare well in learning English. So, I wanted to prepare certain videos on how to learn and teach English. These videos will consist of a large variety because they include both content and method, what to teach and how to teach. These videos will be helpful not only to the students learning English but also to the teachers teaching English in the classroom, because I am going to let them know how a particular topic can be introduced, consolidated and implemented in various situations. So, they will realize, and I will definitely make them realize that English is one of the easiest languages, and really an ordinary person can speak and use the English language fluently. The videos I am going to prepare will consist of a large variety. All the entire syllabus will be divided into small units, and I will let you know how a particular topic can be learnt and taught in the classroom situation. I shall also describe different methods of teaching English as a foreign language. A large variety of methods have been invented. Often researches are being carried out and introduced, training is also imparted. However, the techniques of teaching hardly reach to the classroom situations. I organize such a situation that the teachers will also realize that a particular topic can be introduced, consolidated and drilled in a particular method, and they will find it very easy to teach English. Not only the students but also the people engaged in jobs, guardians and the whosoever is eager to learn English language will take utmost advantage of these videos. The government has tried to introduce English as a foreign language at different levels with no concrete results. So, it has become a very complicated problem how to teach English, at which level it should be introduced and how it can be taught in the best possible manner. The importance of English language is known to everybody. English is spoken almost all over the world. People from different countries get together and rely on English language for the purpose of communication. The students, after having passed their higher secondary section, go to university education. Almost everywhere in universities, major subjects are taught in English language. The students are supposed to listen to the lectures in English. They are supposed to read books in English, and they have to appear at the examination with the help of English language. But usually it happens that the students from the students from vernacular language do not fare well at the examination because their knowledge in English is poor. These videos will definitely help the students to learn each topic in the best possible manner because they include different methods and various techniques of teaching English. I hope our people will take utmost advantages of these videos. Best of luck to everybody.